In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to create a stunning travel brochure. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident in designing your custom brochure using Canva's user-friendly interface. Let's dive right in. First, let's open up Canva on your preferred web browser. Canva is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to design professional-looking documents without the need for advanced graphic design skills. Once you are on the homepage, head over to the search bar and type in travel brochure. This will bring up a plethora of templates specifically designed for travel brochures. Feel free to take a moment to explore these options. Browsing through these ready-made templates is a great way to find one that matches the aesthetic and mood you're aiming for in your project. After you've examined your options, it's time to select the template that resonates most with your vision. When you find one that you love, click on it to get started. This will pull up the template with all its elements. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. We will walk through customizing it step by step. Next, click on Customize this template. This will open the editor where you can modify every aspect of the brochure to suit your specific needs. Now this is where the fun begins, because you can truly personalize your brochure by editing text, swapping out images, and adjusting colors to match your brand or theme. For instance, if your location is known for stunning beaches or historic architecture, think about incorporating imagery and colors that reflect that vibe. Now let's look at editing the text. Canva allows you to click directly onto the text boxes and edit as you like. This means you can input your own captivating headlines, descriptions, or even your travel guide's personal touch to make the content engaging for your audience. Remember, the goal is to inform and excite your readers, so use your words wisely. In addition, Canva lets you adjust fonts and text sizes, ensuring that everything fits perfectly within the brochure design. Take your time to experiment with different styles until you find the right fit for your content. Don't hesitate to explore Canva's vast library of fonts. There's lots of character to discover there. Once you're satisfied with the text, examine the other elements like images and backgrounds. If you have specific photos you'd like to use, simply upload them from your device and drag them into the template. Position them precisely where you want them, and make use of Canva's editing tools to ensure they align seamlessly with the rest of your design. Before concluding your design session, take a moment to preview your brochure as a whole. This is an excellent opportunity to make any final tweaks, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned and visually appealing. When you're completely happy with your creation, all that's left is to download your masterpiece and share it with your intended audience. And there you have it, a beautifully designed travel brochure made simple with Canva. I hope this tutorial has empowered you to unleash your creativity and produce eye-catching brochures that capture the spirit of travel. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.